Have a look at this beautiful conversion by me. Let's take a walk around and let me show you what I have done to this beautiful, amazing Chrysler 300. So the client is on the way and I have just set all the cameras to capture his natural reaction. Assalamualaikum. क्या हाल चाल?
अस्सलामुअलैकुम।
फिट है?
ओए ओए ओए
सुना?
ओए ओए, ये क्या बना दी यार? ओ मैन यू। मैं क्या कहूँ, मुझे तो यकीन नहीं आ रहा। अभी मैंने गाड़ी देखी है और मेरी हार्ट बीट ना इसने पिछले कोई 3 हफ्ते से तेज़ की हुई थी और ये कहता था तू गाड़ी रेडी हो रही है, तो बस देख ही गाड़ी जब रेडी। तो मैंने तो देखा है, मुझे तो वाकई नहीं यकीन आ रहा कि ये मेरी गाड़ी है। मेरी तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऐसी थी नहीं। यकीन है कि मुझे इस तरह की गाड़ी तैयार हुई शायद मैंने नहीं देखी।
So let's have a walk around and have a look at this beautiful conversion. I have changed everything. As you can see, the front bumper is completely changed to the SRT, but I have done something from my side. I have just installed the SRT hood here, and look at this beautiful black gloss wrap at the front. Let me show you something, because I have matched so many things with the carbon fiber, the black glossy and white paint. So this logo, I have kept it in blue. So let me show you from this side. So I have done some combination with the blue and black on the wheels. Look at this dual tone color on the wheels. On the outer side I have done blue, because to match with the front logo, the calipers are blue. The side skirt, have a look at the side skirt. This is a carbon fiber side skirt, but I have painted a part of it in blue so it can match with the wheel nuts. Have a look, the rainbow colored wheel nuts, but they are giving a blue shade. So this is a look from a side. So I have changed the front and back tires of the car. The back tires are a little bit wider and bigger so that they can just pop out from the body and give you the aggressive look. So the front of the car was damaged. Let me open the hood and show you. I have replaced each and everything. So it looks something like this. It's packed and it's new. So like this, you have a look from the front. So in the front, I have installed the SRT bumper with the fog lamps, and I was not satisfied with the look, so I have installed the carbon fiber lip in the bumper. So the car was totally white. I have painted it black, white, and some parts of the car blue to give it an amazing look. Have a look, the hood is totally black. The side rear view mirrors, I have painted it black. There was no sunroof on the car, but I have just put on a sticker, the black gloss sticker, to give it a look that it's a full option car. So this is it, how it looks. Amazing. Before moving ahead, if you guys want your dream car to look like this or even better, you can get in touch with me here. Call me or WhatsApp me. I will find, I will buy, I will fix, you drive. Don't forget to like and share the channel. It's time to show you the interior of the car. I have shown you the interior, it was completely black, but I have changed something with the interior of the car. Have a look at this interior. I have changed it completely to white and black, even the doors. I have changed it with the black lines on it, and this is something surprising that I will surprise the client. I have just embroidered the letter U, because this is the starting letter of the client's name. So I'm gonna surprise him with this one. And have a look at the back seats. So look at the back. I have changed the complete bumper. This is the SRT bumper. Have a look at this big exhaust tips. I will show you in a bit. Have a look at this logo. I have changed it in black. This is the spoiler, which I've installed a blue touch at the top to match with the logo, wheels, nuts, and the side skirt. And this thing is gonna match with the instrumental cluster inside, because it's all in blue. I've installed the SRT8 logo. This is not the SRT8, but I've just installed it to give it a look of SRT. This is a V6 Chrysler, all muscle cars. They are 6-cylinder, doesn't sound so good. I've tried to make it sound a little better with the Fox sound system installed, and it's controlled with the remote here. So this is how it sounds in normal. Okay, so now I'm going to open the flaps with the help of this remote. It will open and you can hear a little change in the exhaust. So I'm going to rev the car and you hear the sound in the open flaps. Let's go for a spin and have a look how it sounds when you drive the car. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So before signing off, there's one small touch that I have to do in the car. This is the car kit custom stickers. I have to put it on the car so the client should remember my name. So that's how it will look like this. So do remember me in your prayers. I'm just gonna leave some of the glimpse of the client's actual reaction.
Oh भैंस की आँख यार ओए 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 ओ मैन यू ओ भैंस की टांग यार ये मैं चलाऊंगा ये नहीं चलानी है ये वाकई मेरी गाड़ी है वाकई तो मेरे लिए तैयार की है ओह मैन साउंड ओए ओए ओए
साउंड तो भी बंद है भाई, ये है साउंड।